healthy.
That is a pet cow.
Bred A, he just marched.
So today we've come out to the Keenan's vegetable processing facility to have a look at where all your capsicums come from. So to be successful in growing vegetables, you need lots of water. The guys here have got it in spades. Just an amazing dam system that links up and provides water all through the year.
Weight and everything that, and then drops it in all its own little.
So sorting them, it's grading them at the same time.
Yeah, size-wise. Melons are packed with sizes.
Yep. So this facility produces about 1.4 million 10 kilo boxes of capsicums alone a year. Just amazing. About 50 odd people here, plus multiple people outside in the field. It's a major operation.
And then underneath, see those bins beside the lady stand there? Well, one's a rubbish bin and one's what we call odd bunch. You know, in Woolworths you get that odd bunch food in the net. Yeah.
And that's really one.
And it goes out to the other
So in terms of what's coming in here, is this an average day?
Yeah. See, that's the different growers. See, that'll be one grower there who's picking green today.
Yep.
Another grower there is picking mixed fruit.
Yep.
You see those red bins over there? Well, they're out. But tomorrow we're going to be picking mixed fruit.
Right.
And then that bloke is picking mixed fruit, he might be picking red.
Yep.
Red, yeah.
So you'll have some drops that are large, some drops that are medium, some drops that are
Unbelievable.
They are so healthy, those
That
cows.
is a pet
He
cow.
had Bred A, he just marched straight over.
Look at him.
Look at him. Look at him. Oh, he's just got to wave his body around. Well, I suppose he's good because
So there you go. It's a high intensity operation here. Amazing product that these guys are producing. So when you're next buying your capsicum or rock melon, just think, a lot of work goes into getting it to you at the table. Cheers.